All right. Well, we missed the turning of the tread. Um, I have a carbide bit in here. What I do is I run the carriage over. I take the tread down to the 7 inches, the diameter. Take it down to the diameter, and I zero the cross slide, and then after I come into the root of the flange meets the tread, at that point when I have that set and I have the width set for my flange, the raw flange, because that's not the turned flange yet. That's going to happen with another tool. I stop there, and then I lock the carriage. Lock the carriage. I zero the cross slide. So I have that. And I have the compound the whole way locked forward on the compound here, locked forward. Then I back it out. I back out the cross slide, back up the compound past the wheel, and I have the compound. You can't see it here, but I have it set at the 3 degrees, whatever. Then I move the cross slide back forward to 0. Then I, by hand, turn the cross slide forward across the face. It goes turn it across the face of the tread, and it puts the taper on, and you end up at the same location at the root of the flange. So because it's at 0 and the cross leg, everything returns back to where it was. So you can start out your taper so that the root of the wheel in here at the root of the flange is 7 inches or whatever the diameter of the wheel is. Seems to work pretty well. So that way of doing it, and then of course that's turned at the same time I turned like I said earlier in the video, I had turned the bore. So now I have the here. I have the tread. I have the bore. They're concentric. The face of the flange concentric to that. So the plan is, if all works right, when I turn the flange, and the face here you'll see in a moment. There's a decorative, it goes in 63 thousandths. Off here it goes in. And of course that means this face then here again is trued up to this. So when I put this back in, the plan is I flip it over, put it back in the soft jaws, and then I use the flange tool, and it seems to come, there's no run out, just seems to come right back to square, and it's even on the face. And then I wrap that forming tool rounds over the flange, puts a little taper on the back, a little more taper on the front, rounds it into the tread, and I'm done. That seems to work. So I'm sorry I didn't get other video on that, but that's where we're at right now.